Check it out, everybody. Look at that cheesy goodness. Alright, today I made mixed veggies with the corn and green beans, and I have potatoes in there too. Then I made some red beans and rice, and give y'all a first look because it's gonna take a while for my main meat to cook. So, and it's gonna be, let me show y'all. Some good old neck bone. See that thing? Point neck bone. Oh yeah, check it out. I'm getting thawed out everything. You gotta wash them up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Oh yeah. Chicken, make some big neck bones. So yeah, I'm not gonna use probably 2 pots. Check it out, check it out. So yeah, I got 1 pot. I'm gonna get my other big boy pot. But check it out, check it out. Let me stir this up for y'all. Let y'all see. Oh yeah. See that? There you go. See that juicy. Oh yeah. Kids love it. They love this. It is tastes just like Cheetos. And they got another one now called Hot Cheetos. And they got a jalapeno cheese out. So yeah. Check it out, check it out. Oh yeah. So yeah, got my neck bone stirring out. Red beans and rice. Red beans and rice. Oh, there's some meat in that bad boy. You already know. Ooh, cornbread sounds good. Might be too fat. Okay, well check it out. Look at that. See that? Cheesy. Cheesy. Look at the bobblehead. They eating us some stuff. Oh boy. Check it out. Alright. Peace out. God bless.